I've been thinking that they haven't been laying eggs when the whole time they've been jumping up here on this, laying eggs in my garlic. I cannot believe this. Let me see how many eggs are in here. There are 4 eggs in here. Unbelievable. And she just flies down. She's up here trying to lay another egg. Unbelievable.